Good morning, Frankfurt. Good morning, all of my love. Chào các bạn đều phải nói hello, like Frankfurt. Have a nice weather. You can see blue sky. Oh, and you can see Frankfurt. This weekend is in there's a Museumsuferfest, a street party. You can see play a lot of band. The city everywhere. You can see party. You can see this morning. This morning the party begins in the evening. So morning is there's a challenge Drachenboot. Yeah, it's called Dragon boat challenge. A lot of dragon boat there, over there. In the Museumsuferfest, street museum Uferfest here, on both sides of the river. You can see a lot of sand, music, shops. You can buy everything. A lot of food, music. Later, this morning is people still sleep. Only a dragon boat fan are there here in Frankfurt. Later, is a lot crowded of people. So just festival, yeah. You can say street festival, yeah. Museumsuferfest. It's called Museumsuferfest. And Min Fusu is live on air for you. Wow, very nice. I hope it still stay nice, not raining, because people just go out when if the weather will be beautiful. Raining, people stay at home. But today, I hope the weather will be good. So we are waiting for the challenge breaking boat, and I make video for you. Okay, see you later. Next video, everybody. Great. Frankfurt, Germany. Frankfurt am Main, everybody. Bye bye.